guys, I finally made it to Dior. Just so you know, I did a terrible job at vlogging my experience here just because I was so taken back at how busy it was. The day before, a couple of days before, I talked to my sales associate, and he was like, Ariel, we'll just do a curbside pickup. I was like, perfect, I'll record that part of it. But all the boutiques in this area is closed. I'm from Houston, Texas. So basically, this area is called like the River Oak District. So basically, this area is kind of like the Rodeo Drive of Houston. So it's basically all your luxury um, shops, but all the shops are closed because of COVID-19. So I was walking to Dior, but my sales associate was actually waiting for me back there where the escalator was at, and I wasn't even paying any attention because I was too busy recording. So anyway, by the time I had to wait outside while he was in there getting my bag and everything together, I was just looking at how many people, like there were so many people. And on any other day, it's not really that packed, but it was like a lot of people out and about that day, and I was just like, wow. I tried to record these guys because they were trying to, like, they were yanking on the Dior door trying to get in, and they didn't read the sign where it says like all the boutiques are closed. You need to reach out to your sales associate. But I finally told them that they have to like reach out to somebody. And then when my sales associate came out, I just told him he may want to help them. But I got my bag and I was heading home. I have been wanting this bag for a really long time. I've been on a wait list since February of this year. It's been a long time coming, believe it or not. The boutique did have a tote bag, which is this is a tote bag, and but it wasn't the color that I wanted. And I was like, I really want this color, so I've been waiting for this bag since February of this year. Um, and I was like, I'm super excited. Um, and it's probably will be a shock to some people because when you think of like the tote bags, like you have your traditional, the large and the small. But if you go down my channel, you'll notice that I have a theme going on, that mostly all my bags are either crossbodies or they're minis. So basically the tote bag that I wind up getting today is the Dior Book Tote Mini. Yes, in the burgundy color. So I was super excited. I've been wanting this bag for such a long time. I'm going to send this bag off to get my name on the back of it. So yeah, I most of the time I don't really love bags, but this bag I really do love. Like it's like the perfect size for me. I love the color of it. I like how it's just easy for me to put everything in my bag and take it out. I was just like, yes, this is perfect. So I'm just totally excited, but I just wanted to show you guys the new bag that I got. Yeah, let me know, guys, what you think about the little mini bag. Thanks. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.